The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, assures the release of decision next Wednesday regarding the alleged multi-million peso campaign donation received by former Senate President Cheese Escudero. Meanwhile, Senator Rodante Marcoleta is facing a show cause order over a reported discrepancy in his campaign expenditure and asset statements. Our Bien Manalo reports.
The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is expected to release a decision on Wednesday on the issue of Senator Cheese Escudero's alleged reception of a 30 million peso campaign donation from Lawrence Lubiano, the owner of Centerways Construction, one of those allegedly involved in the anomalous flood control projects. It is clear that the giving donations by companies with government contracts to running candidates is a violation of the Omnibus Election Code to avoid the conflict of interest. According to COMELEC, the counter-affidavit of Senator Escudero has already been forwarded to COMELEC Commissioner Ray Bulay and now studying whether to submit it to the polls bodies and bank or return it to them. COMELEC confirms that Lawrence Lubiano has also responded to their show cause order.
Asahan niyo po, hindi lalampas ang Miyerkules ay mailalabas po ng COMELEC o lalo na ng opisinang iyon, ng departamento, kung ano man ang naging disposisyon doon sa naging akusasyon, aligasyon laban po sa kanya at doon sa kanyang kontratista na si Mr. Lubiano.
Senator Rodante Marcoleta was given 10 days to respond to the show cause order filed against him by the COMELEC. This is due to the alleged discrepancy on his statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth, or SALN, in connection with his statement of contribution and expenditures, or SOSE, in the 2025 midterm elections. In the COMELEC report, it appears that the senator spent 112 million pesos on the campaign. This is higher than the nearly 52 million pesos he declared in his SALN. He could be charged with an election offense, perjury, and falsification of public documents if the senator is proven to have violated.
So gusto nating malaman kung may paglabag ba doon sa Section 99 o meron bang hindi na isama talaga at ano bang kadahilanan kung bakit hindi na isama yung mga ibang nagbigay o ibang mga nag-donate na mga tao sa isang kandidato.
Meanwhile, according to COMELEC, only a few of the 27 contractors have filed their counter-affidavits alleging they donated to candidates in the 2022 elections. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.